trigonometry, let t is equal tan theta by 2 for theta not equal to 2n plus 1 into 5, where n is an integer. Show that cos theta is equal 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. Deduce that tan pi by 12 is equal to minus root 3. Answer for this question. We have learned double angle identity. Cos 2 theta is equal cos square theta minus sin square theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Divided by cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 is 1. Therefore, this one can be written as like this one. Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 over cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2. So, this term is 1 by the Korean identity. When divided by cos square theta by 2, both numerator and denominator, this one 1 minus sin square theta by 2 cos square theta by 2 tan square theta by 2 over this one, this term 1, this plus tan square theta by 2. Okay. Now, we have to mention about this one. You want to investigate this one. What is this? Period of tan theta by 2. What is? Because we already know period of tan theta is pi. Therefore, period of tan theta by 2 is equal to pi. So now, we draw the graph of tan theta by 2. The period is 2 pi. The graph is in every 2 pi here, 2 pi one graph. In this period, 2 pi. Here also minus pi to plus pi, period 2 pi. Here also minus pi to minus 3 pi. This is the graph of tan theta by 2 with period 2 pi. This graph is not defined at theta is equal pi, theta is equal 3 pi, theta is equal 5 pi, or theta is equal minus pi, theta is equal minus 3 pi. At this value, tan theta by 2 not defined. That is we can write like this one, not defined at theta is equal 2n plus 1 into pi. When n is equal 0, pi, theta is equal pi, not defined. When n is equal 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 pi, theta is equal 3 pi, not defined. When n is equal to 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 pi, not defined. When theta is equal minus 1, when theta is equal minus 1, this one minus 2, plus 1 minus pi, not defined. Therefore, we can say like this one, tan theta by 2 not defined at theta is equal 2n plus 1 into pi. Therefore, for the validity of cos value, theta shouldn't take 2n plus 1 into pi. Therefore, this validity, theta shouldn't take this value. That is the meaning of this one. Okay. Therefore, cos theta is equal 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. from here to here. Here t is equal tan theta by 2. So we proved the first part. Let this is the equation A. Now we do consider the last part. Deduce that tan pi by 12 is equal to minus root 3. Okay. Here we do one of the substitution. Theta is equal pi by 6. We are going to substitute theta is equal pi by 6. So if theta is equal pi by 6, what is t? T is equal tan theta by 2. Therefore, t is equal tan pi by 12. Tan pi by 12. Now, we substitute at this equation as t is equal tan pi by 12. Here. So, t is equal tan pi by 12 for theta is equal pi by 6. Therefore, here for theta, cos pi by 6 is equal 1 minus t tan pi by 12. Therefore, 1 minus tan squared pi by 12 over 1 plus tan squared pi by 12. For simplification, to simplify, let t is equal tan pi by 12. Therefore, cos pi by 6, we know root 3 by 2 is equal 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. Cross multiplication, 2 minus 2t squared is equal root 3 plus root 3t squared. So root 3 plus 2. Root 3 plus 2 into t squared is equal to 2 minus root 3. Therefore, t squared is equal to 2 minus root 3 over 2 plus root 3. Multiply conjugate of this one, 2 plus root 3. Both numerator and denominator we multiply by 2 minus root 3. Therefore, the numerator part 2 minus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Therefore, 2 minus root 3 all things squared over. The denominator a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. This one 2 squared minus root 3 squared. 2 squared 4 minus root 3 squared 3. Therefore, t squared is equal to 2 minus root 3 all things squared over 4 minus 3 is a 1. T squared is equal to 2 minus root 3 all things squared. Therefore, t is equal to 2 minus root 3 or t is equal minus 2 minus root 3. T is at tan pi by 12. Therefore, tan pi by 12 is equal to 2 minus root 3 or t. Tan pi by 12 is equal minus 2 minus root 3. It is obvious 4 greater than 3. Therefore, 2 greater than root 3. Therefore, 2 minus root 3 is a positive quantity. Definitely positive. Now, this one is positive, but this one positive, positive into negative, they are negative. Therefore, this one is a negative quantity. But we know pi by 12. Pi by 12 is the 15 degree approximately in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant angle, tan always take positive value. In the first quadrant, it is not possible tan take minus value in the first quadrant. Therefore, this value not possible in the first quarter. Therefore, tan pi by 2 is positive. Therefore, tan pi by 12 is 2 minus root 3, not this value. Therefore, tan pi by 12 is equal to 2 minus root 3.